The Alchemist sample preparation systems are designed for easy, efficient, and safe sample preparation. Our proprietary vessels require no tools or membranes for assembly. Simply finger tighten to secure it prior to each use. The onboard computer automatically controls pressure up to 1450 psi and temperature up to 400 degrees Celsius to keep conditions precisely within your preset parameters. The vessel rotates 360 degrees during heating to ensure heating uniformity. The user-friendly 8-inch touchscreen offers intuitive control and monitoring. Wireless pressure and temperature sensors allow contamination-free monitoring. The durable, carbon fiber reinforced polymer outer vessel provides excellent sample containment. Stop wasting time and money on complicated equipment. Our easy-to-use sample preparation systems streamline your sample prep. Contact Buck Scientific today to upgrade your lab.